Imagine a place that felt so ignored by its state government, it tried to create its own state. Welcome to the state of Jefferson. Deep in the forested hills and valleys where Northern California meets Southern Oregon, a bold experiment in independence once took shape. A place that called itself the state of Jefferson. The year was 1941. For decades, the people living here felt ignored by their distant state capitals in Sacramento and Salem. Their roads were crumbling. Their economies were based on mining and timber, industries that rarely saw their tax dollars returned in services. Frustration turned into action. In November 1941, civic leaders from Siskiyou and Modoc counties in California and Curry and Josephine counties in Oregon announced plans to secede. They would form a brand new U.S. state, Jefferson, named after Thomas Jefferson himself, the champion of self-determination. Every Thursday, volunteers set up roadblocks on Highway 99, handing out their own proclamation of independence to passing motorists and reporters. Until further notice, this state is in patriotic rebellion against the states of California and Oregon. We claim the right of self-government. They even elected a governor, Judge John C. Childs, and adopted a flag bearing a gold mining pan with 2 X's. Those X's stood for double-crossed, the feeling that they'd been betrayed by their governments. The movement caught fire, at least for a few weeks. Reporters from across the country came to see this state of mind, as some called it. The story ran in newspapers coast to coast. Then, everything changed. On December 7, 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. America entered World War II overnight. In the face of global war, the people of Jefferson quickly set aside their rebellion. Their grievances would have to wait. They joined the rest of the country in the war effort. But the spirit of Jefferson never fully died. Even today, signs and flags still appear in Northern California and Southern Oregon. Periodic efforts to revive the state of Jefferson continue, fueled by a familiar feeling that rural communities deserve a voice of their own. In the end, Jefferson is more than a place. It's an idea that, in America, no corner is too remote to demand representation.